Hello, peoples.
Penana. சரியான சம்பவம் பார்த்தோம். உன்ன மறிக்கிற எலிய பார்த்தோம் guys. அங்க பாரு ஆமாஸ்ல telling is I am is tomorrow going is leg day.
Yeah, exactly.
Leg day is tomorrow. This workout is doing
Yes.
full hand work. Sorry. Leg work.
Yes. Yeah, super.
Tomorrow like Bharatana coming.
Yeah.
Pre-workout giving. Pre-workout coaching. Power coming. Kudre mari voting. Gade.
How?
Is in like
Yeah.
Kudre. Kudre like voting. It means horsepower.
Yeah.
Leg workout. Doing. Is what Bruce Lee power is smash doing is. Our body is temporary.
Yeah. Our workout is permanent.
Speaking English is I am only collapsed doing. This is happy birthday. Everybody.
Okay. Thank you.